Nice. Nice. Or the audio's no good. Or the audio's not good. Wait, it didn't even get me say. Oh, actually, yeah, fixed it. Nice. All right. I figure I'm just gonna stream all the time now. So hello, if you're watching these streams, or if you're watching the VODs, hello. The good videos will be in the videos section. Actually, this one was kind of trash, but I figured if I post every day, I think YouTube like awards consistency, so I post some like C tier content. Didn't expect it to get many views, and it didn't. This one, I think we're sick of seeing idea to deployment. We need to see cooler shit, so this is kind of what I'm going for the next thing. If you were here on the earlier stream. If not, I'm probably gonna play it right now while I get a drink. Look at the room. Oh, I played RuneScape, by the way. I got that dopamine now. It makes me want to play more RuneScape. Shit crazy. I wonder what I can hit with the Warhammer. My max hit with the 2H adamant was 13. This is not very high. But you see, like, people aren't very good in this. Like, I just KO'd him with like not a very big hit, like a 7 or some shit. Dilla type beat. Create. Okay. I was wrong. You were right. My bad. Maybe I've tried some people like Kanye, Travis Scott, but I didn't like those. Alright, this is the J Dilla type beat. This doesn't sound like a J Dilla type so far. Okay. What other system prompt modifications do we want? Oh, let's have a look at the system prompt here. Remove the line numbers. Shame. Maybe we'll do it like this. You are an AI assistant designed to. Yo. What's up, K-Bear? Non-adjective. I just figured, like, I didn't have lunch yet. So now I'm eating an apple. Were you guys here earlier stream? These live thumbnails? No, this is live. Paul. I just put on like old VODs while I'm not here. Yeah, I was getting an apple. This is live though. Dude, I'm generating some 100x orchestrator images. A video, sorry. How sick is that? That is fucking sick. It needs music. How do you do text to speech in? Hey guys, if you have an Android phone, turn off your speakers. Oh, why isn't my TikTok chat coming through? Good morning. AI should be organized by law is very danger. Yes. What's the best IDE? There's no best. I think VS Code has all the most plugin. Like any fork of VS Code, I guess. Like Klein is really good, and you can get that as an extension to VS Code on anything. And there's also like Super Maven, and a bunch of other extensions. Ring light, no, it's just natural light. I do have a. This is the light I do have. It's not on. If I put it on now, oh shit, it just flashed. Yeah, but it's not on. Oh, it just turned on. But I think the exposure will auto. Like, it's glitchy. I don't know. It keeps turning on and off. Now I can't turn it off. Okay, there we go. See, now my exposure is so low. Now, okay, it's just, it will adjust. Windows Alt H. I put my fucking Apple somewhere. Alright, now we're doing it one hand. Windows Alt H. Here we go. I think it might just be Windows H. A song about an orchestrator that orchestrates robots writing code. Oh, it has different models. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, here. Remy, most creative, may generate offensive content. Definitely, that's way better. No, AI IDE like Cursor. Yeah, like, supposedly, okay, so here's the thing. There's only, do you think that everything Cursor does, it needs, well, not everything. There's like something that Cursor does that it needs to be an IDE. I was thinking about this the other day, and I think it might be their like Copilot plus plus or whatever they call it now. I think they changed the word. How it can jump between like different files with their tab. Other than that, like their composer, their agentic behavior, that's all like done really well with Klein, I think. But their like autocomplete might be like really cool. And it might be the reason it's an IDE. Otherwise, like, yeah. Let me fix my TikTok chat here. It's not coming. Oh, here we go. Yeah. Shout out TikTok. And I show examples of agent. Yes, I can. Nice. My professor? No. Okay. Yeah, so you should watch like, who's this guy? TTS Code of How to Hack.
A about code for how to hack something, then TT's that.
G35. Go on my YouTube, man, and see my last vlog, my last video. Actually, like my whole YouTube is mostly agents. I was going to talk about lovable dev. I feel like this is something. I just made a timeline. Oh, actually, that's what the title of this video is. This is the agent timeline. I think. AutoGen? No. Where's AutoGPT? The fuck? Okay, auto GPT is missing. Was it in there? No, it isn't. I swear it was. I looked at this just today. This isn't like a very good method to find what was the earliest, but 16th of March. Okay, yeah. I think this is not meant to be AutoGen. This is actually Auto GPT. So, um, actually, now I feel like we should duplicate this at least. It's pretty hard. I need to put this apple down. Pretty sure this is somewhere like later. What am I gonna do? Okay. Um, actually, like this probably, but this is also like quite. Anyway, pretty much like up to here, I think I verified. Right? Wait, the open interpreter that much earlier? I don't know if I verified that one. The date formatting, dude, same. When I use Sheets by default, it's American date formatting. And I'm like, oh man, this is so hard. So is TikTok. Just fucks with my head. So I've gone my whole life doing whatever this is, Australian or British or July 14. Is that what I have? No. Okay. That's what I thought. I didn't think Open Interpreter was that early. That seems more like it. Are you pass on Lovable, Paul? Why is that? What's your gripe with it? Open Adapt? I don't think so.
Hey everyone, Rich here from OpenAdapt. I'm going to give you a quick demo of OpenAdapt. So here's the tray icon. I'm just going to delete this recording and I'm going to create a new one. And so in this recording I'm going to use the calculator. And so just give it a couple seconds to start up. Alright, so the recording has started, so all of my inputs are being monitored. And so I'm going to open up the calculator, and then I'm just going to say 2 times 3 equals, and that's it. So to stop it, I'm just going to hit Control 3 times. And wait for it to stop, there you go. And so now I'm going to replay that recording, but I'm going to give it some instructions. I'm going to say calculate 9 minus 8 plus 7. All right, here we go. So it's going to write calculator, press enter, and then it's going to do 9 minus 8 plus 7. And there you have it. So that's just a quick example of the capabilities of OpenAdapt. It works with any desktop app on Mac and Windows.
That's pretty cool. So he like recorded something and like took screenshots and like his mouse position and stuff. And then he asked it to replay that, but he could say something different that he didn't like teach. So like 8 plus 7, like that's different to what he recorded, which was just pressing 9 or something. Um, yeah. What's being covered today? Well, I was just showing the timeline. So I wanted to like give my experience of like GPT engineer, Aider. I think is because they would make some good clips. Also, I'm just streaming for the like for just streaming sake. What's going on? MK Hammerhand, Adarsh, X, Suka Free. Thanks for the likes. Let me give you. Let me like move this here. Yeah, Suka and MK. I was thinking about layouts before as well. I think there's so much room to get better like stream layout. What did you say, Nonajega? It was hard to read. Text to speech.
According to llama calculations, the stats of an apple to 100x give pulse on 10 cerebral clarity, algorithmic agility, and 25% productivity pulse. Lastly, you unlocked code whispering and code conjuring.
I thought it'd be empty, but I saw all my girlfriends talking to a stranger outside with the most, oh my god, eyes.
Okay,
I came closer, the stranger said,
see what I have to do here. I need to use headphones. There's no way around it. Windsurf, yes. Guys, if you guys want to see me trying stuff, I pretty much try all the. Oh, actually, no, I don't try everything. But you just have to search like techfren windsurf, and it should come here. There you go, techfren windsurf. I don't know. Does that work for you? I once tried googling something that works for me reliably on someone else's laptop, and I just realized like everyone's Google search is probably some way personalized. But yeah, go windsurf right here. Solarize. Solarize look cool. Just based off like I don't know. So this panel I have here isn't an IPS panel, so some of the like dark colors and stuff just don't look great. But this is this solarized? This doesn't look solarized anymore. I don't know. I mean, it's fine. I ended up using an IPS monitor as my main monitor now, and like honestly, it's not that much different to like the QLED or whatever I had. I thought it was gonna be so different. Which is better quality than YouTube? I think it should be the same. They're both like 1080p, pretty much. Pretty much should be exactly the same. 1080p. What about YouTube? Should be the same. Sujay,
Yeah.
what's up? Yeah, man, I'm going gray. Um, damn. Yeah, okay. I fixed the sound. These are some 100x engineer visualizations. Well, the orchestrator. That's what I was making at the start of this stream. I mean, that was start of last stream. Whole of last stream. It is kind of what I'm most excited about. To just get something kind of working that does this. Orchestrates hundreds of. This is, I guess, it's like Swarm. The more I think about it, it's kind of like Swarm, but I want it like specifically for coding, and I want it to be like relatively simple. Like I think Swarm is actually quite a big code base. So I'm thinking of like forking big AGI. I don't know how that works. I feel like I'm gonna get in trouble like Pear AI because I've copied it. I haven't forked, like it's not a true fork on GitHub. Killer bees finna swarm. We got C's in this warm. All right. Yeah, that's what I kind of mainly want to do. But it makes me realize that I think it's just on, yeah, it's just on YouTube. The title of my live is Timeline of AI Agents. I'm going to quickly talk about that before I start doing the 100x stuff. So let's make a group here. Stuff. Let's go put everything here instead of closing it. You know, I should close tabs. All right, we're going to close. I think we can close all this stuff. Keep Suno in there. And Klein. Maybe you should have kept LM. Okay. Now we can focus. Focus on this. And I'm going to tell my story. Story about AI agents. So, AutoGPT. I think that was the first one. But I heard about AutoGPT the same time I heard about Baby AGI. So these launch dates pretty much are going off. Okay, it's not really a launch date. It's like a first commit date. Launch date would have been better. I probably should have done launch date. This is like first commit date because it was hard to find the launch date, but you can find first commits on GitHub pretty easily. But it like they could have been like a completely different project at that point. AutoGen had a recent upgrade, yeah, and they also had a fork into AG2, which is someone else. Like some of the co-founders left and started AG2. Nardine, good to see you. Long time no see. So yeah, Wolverine was the first coding agent that was. It was just so beautifully written as well. That one, it was really short code, like one code file, Wolverine.py. Or was it this? I think it was. I'm pretty sure it was just this. 244 lines. And it was pretty much the first thing that did this putting agent on a loop and getting it to write code until so this was like for Python projects, like it would run your Python project that spat out an error until there was no more errors. It would then change the code until there was no more errors. It was so cool. It was sick. Did we ship? No. Sadly, I have a problem of like jump into the next exciting thing. But I've committed to this 100x thing like 60-ish days ago. All right, let's see the exact date. Uh, go into my oh, here we go. Wait, it was open routed. The first day of 100x was this This was the first day. It was pretty good, this video, I think.
OpenRouter lets you use just one API key and have access to pretty much any LLM you want. Anthropic's Claude, Google's Gemini. They even host open source models themselves, give you free access to a bunch of these models.
Oh shit, Mabe, you're right. I did complete the voting app and we did ship that. So I have been shipping. Oh, I always, underestimate myself. We coded this app, vote.techfren.net. But yeah, it's pretty much the voting is over as well, and it's pointing to the 100x engineer again. This is like, what should the next hackathon be? And we're creating a hackathon for the community. So yeah, if you guys want to help build this 100x engineer, get in the Discord. I'm going to make another post in the Discord about it. Actually, we're going to rename this. No. We'll make a new channel. 100x hackathon. All right, I got a 100x hackathon. Launch now. Literally now. We've launched it. The 100x hackathon is officially launched. This is very open to ideas. Who wants to build? We could say like today's hackings. Like we could show today's hackings. Today I tried raw dog ging baby AGI. That sounds so bad. That sounds so bad. Today I tried baby AGI without modifications, just a prompt. Raw dogging, no. Alright, let's try to find like a good, yeah, here. Also free. Continue. Yeah, the Git cloning was a bit annoying. Because it's a very niche specific thing. Whereas baby AGI is meant to be like, potentially usable. So it should be like really like software development agency CEO. Prognostic to what it's used for, and I'm trying to like just giving it a prompt to be like a software development agency CEO. Trying to see how that works. Just giving it a prompt to be like a software development agency CEO. Oh, we got a thumbs up. Alpha 12. Let's go, Alpha 12. Goon detection orchestrator. Did that with windsurf? This I started with lovable.dev actually to create this. And it was really nice with the Superbase database integration and the user auth. I think the auth is actually kind of bugged at the moment. I should change that. But yeah, I mean, it was a cool prototype. And then I took it to Exponent, which did a lot of the bug fixing. And because yeah, I couldn't continue it on Lovable, unfortunately. I also started my main website with Lovable, which was called GPT Engineer, in January. It looks so different then. Yeah. Anyway, let's move on to the timeline. GPT Engineer, yeah. It was one of the first I tried. I tried it in July. I can't remember. This is when they made the first web app. This was before like Bolt or V0 or even Claude Artifacts was like 5 months after this. GPT Engineer had like React apps rendering in the browser, prompt to React app in January. I don't think it was public though. but I somehow got access to it. I think because I was a really big like fan of GPT Engineer. And yeah, it was like less than 10 minutes. It created this website. This is my first. This is what ended up being techfren.net. I pretty much only kept the. Actually, I kept a lot of it. These cards, I still have these cards. They're right here. They have like a link to GitHub, and it came like Lovable made these icons as well. But the whole like matrix and everything else, I think that was like an 8, or I used so many 8 different AI tools on this website. Still cursor 8 or top. Paul, have you tried Exponent? Oh, you did. I was just reading that. Have to put more effort there to have an opinion. Okay. But it seems like initial thoughts you weren't as impressed as you were with like cursor and stuff. Larvy, thanks for the likes. We're still getting yeah, TikTok messages. You specialize in a particular stack. I think I have most experience with like the web frameworks like React, but these days I've been using way more Python. Sorry I missed your message. I think that came a while ago. Okay. These headphones are so weird. They're like really good sound canceling, so it just makes my spatial awareness everything. I don't know. Go psycho. Like it's like that room where you can't hear echoes. Apparently makes you psycho. I think that's a bit of an exaggeration. Yeah. That's it. I kind of wanted to show the timeline and talk about GPT Engineer for a little bit with somewhat facts behind it. Now, we do want to change the title of this stream to be about the 100x thing, because that's going to be the main focus, at least for the next like 40 days. I really want to have something really want to have something at least close to one, probably not 100x, but at least 2x. We could have like a 2x orchestrator, it'd be sick. Like an automated one. Which ones do I have? Out of those agents? It's not really something of having or not having. It's like, which ones have you tried? I've tried all of the top ones that I mentioned, the first ones. 5x? 5x would be sick too. 5x would be better than 2x. Oh, which headphones? This is Sony MX4. 1000 MX4. Had the MX3s, they were pretty good. They're like comfy for travel. That's the main reason I got them. They're not. I used to use Audio Technicas for the computer, but they were getting so old. So yeah, I just put these on instead of buying new headphones because I already use those for travel and they're good headphones. Yeah, okay, 100x baby AGI is what we're gonna be probably doing stuff to. All right. So yeah, this is an open community project, hopefully. It's been kind of hard for me to do open community projects. It's like I've open sourced a lot of things, but it seems I don't know, not that many contributions on the projects that like it's not like we haven't gotten any, but I'd say like overall from the community it'd be like less than 4 or 5. But yeah, I mean this is my first time trying to make like a I don't know, open source community. Anyway, this isn't even see I'm doing it wrong as well. This is the same thing Pair AI got in trouble for. Um it's like you take something it's open source. This has its own license and shit, so it's like you need a license. Here you go. MIT. So you can do whatever without limitation. That's sick. Okay, so I think we're good. At least for this project. Real simple. One script. This is one-to-one baby AGI. And yeah, we're going to baby AGI worked really well for a really simple example. Now, yeah, and I just love how it's so small. One call tool function, serialize tool results. What do you mean by serialize? Is that like parsing it? Kind of like a JSON parse? Well, what if I could make my own? Like, do I see anything like... Also, does it only work with function calling? That's a big question as well, because not every model works with function calling. Model. Someone's calling me. All right. Yo, thanks for the gifts, Misho. Good to see you in the chat. Yeah. So as I suspected, Baby AGI only works with tool calling. So I think I'm gonna write my own from scratch. Python script. Well, when I say from scratch, I mean with the help of an AI coding tool. What was the overlap here now? So yeah, which tool should I pick? I'm gonna pick Exponent because I have credits to use. I spent $50 on it, so I might as well use that shit. So what we're gonna do, open up terminal. Navigate to 100x engineer orchestrator. List the files. Shit, there's a lot of files. Get the diff. No diff. Gonna remove a lot of the files here. Like workspace. Remove everything in workspace. Can we do that? I don't think that works. Oh, no, it didn't work. We're just gonna use Explorer. 0x engineer. Literally 0x, dude. Alright. Delete. We're gonna keep that. We should keep everything, actually. What are these initial requirements? History first test. Oh, history. Oh, this is me. Alright, let's get baby AGI. Create its own folder. What's run agent pi? That's oh, interesting. Is that how the skills work? Okay. We're here, and we're gonna run exponent dot run. Wait, let me think. This is kind of irrelevant, this baby AGI code. Like, not irrelevant, but like, it might confuse the model. So I'm actually going to delete all of the baby AGI code. Now we'll have a git diff with all the baby AGI code missing. We're going to git add everything, git commit, remove baby AGI. Oh shit, where did I? This is so tedious, man, typing commands yourself. Okay. Division by an engineer. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now let's run exponent. After I run my credits with exponent, like I'm most excited to try Klein. Because I think these two have like the highest limit. Klein looks like it has unlimited auto run. Exponent only has 10x. I'm gonna say use test-driven development to create a script that oh, so I gotta write these whole requirements. Alright, we're gonna chat with Sonnet to come up with the requirements. Yeah, FZF, fuzzy search. You integrate it with Bash for easy command history. Saves typing. How do you like execute it again? I think I might have it. I just forget how to use it. Or is it automatic? I definitely had it at one point. I might not have it at the moment. Lazy Git? Yeah, I know there's so many tools that like write commands for you. Control R? Yeah, yeah. I have Control R, but I don't think it's fuzzy. Yeah, yeah, mine's not fuzzy. Plus, like when you're writing a commit message. Okay. I want to brainstorm with me so we can come up with requirements for I kind of want it to be a web app, but Python I think will be the superior choice for like running data. For a Python app, probably Flask. What's better than Flask? I think Flask is outdated now. There's like Gradio. What analysis of Python web server, web app slash server, web server with UI frameworks. I.E Flask Pro. Let's go. Yo, Alberto, yes, I did try Windsurf. You can see the video on my YouTube. Django? Yeah. Is Django good? Better than Flask? They upped your credits on Exponent? Yeah, man, the Exponent team's been really nice. It's kind of like the reason I ended up paying for it, because I think it's super expensive, but it doesn't feel like a ripoff. Flask, oh my god, there's too many. Oh, just Flask. Compare more options. Make a table with concise data. I spelled concise wrong. What do you think, Chat LLM is better to use everything? I've been using it, yeah, I mean, it's cheap. $10 a month compared to one. But, like, it has limitations. You can't put, like, big context in it and stuff. Would we get search kind of functionality? They have search LLM, but I don't use it. I don't think it's anywhere near as good as Flask. I mean, it could be. In this situation, like in some situations. That's probably a better prompt as well. Let's see how that goes. Okay, Flask Django Fast API Pyramid. Bottle Tornado. Bottle is lightweight, not meant for large apps. Flask is limited built-in features. Django can be complex for small apps. Automatic admin panel. Let's have a look at Django. What does the admin panel look like? Okay, well this...
When it comes to concepts that every beginner should aim to learn and master. Knowing and being able to apply these concepts will ensure you are capable of building out most of the functionality you see on websites today and can make you a potential candidate for a job. As always, with learning these concepts comes practice and implementation. But before we start, I want to quickly mention my complete Django course that's linked.
Dude, that was actually pretty good by Search LLM. I was wrong. In this situation, it was able to perform like almost as good as Perplexity. You can see there's some issues with line breaks here, but like Perplexity more or less came to the same result, and I think that was Perplexity Pro as well. Yeah. So shout out to Chat LLM for that. Pretty good. What are we building again? A 100x orchestrator. We just gotta have this video up 24/7 so people know. It's actually gonna be the wrong file though. Oh no. It's a file. Exit this. It's weird. Whatever. With the string section. No, only coding artists. Wait, does the video just disappear? That shit meant to loop? Loop. We should do it should be a portrait one. Like, yeah, check this one out. It's only like 5 seconds though, but if we had something here. Could be a vibe. Maybe. Tell me when that gets annoying. Otherwise, I think we're gonna
Make up an entire. Views are simply fun. Django, I would highly recommend you first start by learning. With models, we simply create a class that represents a table, update.
How much code is in like Django? Because Flask, it's like really basic, right? Example basic Django boilerplate. Damn, it has like accounts. Nah. I think it's a bit overkill. I'm just gonna do Flask. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's a bit overkill. Here we go. Create a TDD. Use TDD to create a Flask app, which can take post requests and execute functions as JSON and execute functions. I want to kind of give it, okay, so check out this. Use Fast API? Does Fast API give you a front end as well? I mean, I guess you just have to respond with HTML. Flask is obsolete. Shit, we'll see what Chat LLM has to say about that. And Perplexity. And Grok. I never use Grok. Okay. Depends on the project. Straightforward syntax. Fast API is designed for high performance. Okay, this could be good for us actually. What about in terms of their capabilities for front ends? Performance, microservices, real-time apps with WebSockets. WebSockets would actually be pretty good. Maybe, I mean, we could have a separate front end to the back end too. I think I will do Fast API. Let's ignore the front end for now. We actually don't need a front end initially. The core of it we can test without the front end. Is that true? At least initially. I think at least initially. Execute functions. This is like too simple. We need more. Just switch to JS and use Express. I think, dude, in my experience, Python works better for this. Especially, I'm gonna be scripting Aider. So, scripting Aider. So, yeah, their scripting language pretty much works in Python. I mean, you can like theoretically execute Python in Express, but then it's just like, you know, I've thought about this before. Anyway, let me try to use Fast API. I think that's a go-to. Write the requirements first. Yes, that's exactly what I'm doing. Yeah. That's exactly what I was gonna do, but I was gonna research first on framework. I'm gonna say, help me brainstorm requirements for my project. Keep it concise. I want to make an orchestration system that controls AI agents, AI coding agents. Use TDD, Fast API, use driven development, Fast API. Okay. I actually had some more specific requirements on Excalibur. Here are the functions that are needed. So, oh shit, I accidentally submitted it. Stop. Um, here are the functions the orchestrator needs to be able to do. Check agent progress, edit agent, critique overall progress, critique agent individual agent progress. Manage Git merging agent work and effectively managing branches. Use test-driven development, fast API. What else did I have? Inputs. This is good. Pretty much all the requirements here. Give concise dot points first before full requirements. Okay. I probably missed so many messages, huh? MCP? Yeah, I've seen like videos of that. Looks really cool. They want to keep it open source. Awesome, man. Chainsaws, thank you for the nice comments, friend. Okay. Core system, fast API, Postgres, SQL for state management. Agent, no. No. No, this is bad. Try again. Let's try, I'm gonna try some different AIs here. Where's the big AGI, like, app dot big AGI? What is it? Get dot big AGI? No. There needs to be like a, oh, it is get. No, it should be app. It should be app. All right, new chat. Same thing, Beam. GPT 4.0, please. Is it not have 4.0? Hold on. I think before you go into Beam, you need to press settings, models, and then refresh the models so you get all the latest models. Oh, I don't have Google here. Pretty sucks. Is it 4.0 now? Here we go. 4.0 mini, 4.0. And oh, we don't have 3.5 haiku. Whatever. And let's try Grok. I never tried Grok. What did Grok recommend? Fast API? Oh no, we just, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really liking Claude's response in chat LLM. Okay, here we go. Agent management, start agent, edit agent. Concise dot points for orchestration system. Full requirements. Agent management. Ability to initiate coding agents with specific tasks. Concise dot. Okay, and now the cool thing about Big AGI is we can merge all these results in either automatically, we can compare them, which gets all the, oh no, I like this one, add the guided. So it gets all the different like functions from all of them. Oh, GPT-4 Turbo. And we can choose which ones we want. Okay, this wasn't. Version control. It's like, I want something more concise. Because you can go custom way as well, like, based on the N alternatives provided, synthesize a single comprehensive response, concise as possible, including an introduction for overall goal. Boom. And instead of 4 turbo, we can go 4.0 and merge the results. Did I pay for Abacus? Yeah, it's like $10 a month. Animations, Napkin AI. I have heard of that. Visual streaming text sick, but is this just? This is exactly the same as. Wait, was it always called Napkin? Yeah, yeah, I've tried this. I know this. Yeah, I think it was this, but it's not animated. But it's still very good. If we could take this and animate it, which we might be able to do. Do they have API? They have an API, but yeah, I have tried that. Um, okay, this is good. Start, stop agents, edit agents, progress evaluation, version control, development process. All right, I'm gonna make a text file here and call it like requirements, project requirements dot markdown. Is there a nice way to copy this? And we'll just paste that here. All right. Wonder if Exponent can pick that up now. I might just delete this. Okay. Let's see. At project requirements. Create this project. Auto run 10 times. All right. Should have put it in its own branch, but oh, I should have also said to use Git. All right, it's doing it. It's so fast. We could also give that same prompt to different. Nothing else could make. What else can make fast API? Maybe lazy AI? Haven't tried them in a while. I do want to try them. GPT engineer couldn't. No, the last time I tried lazy AI, it actually only makes like one thing at a time. True. Forgot about that. Wonder if they fix that, or if they even think it's an issue. I haven't tried MCP. It does look cool. Exponent Google or Microsoft email login only? It is, but you can just create a Microsoft. I mean, you can just create a Google email, a Google account with any email, which is what I ended up doing. So you can just create a Google account with any other email, and then you just log in with that Google account. Oh shit, someone shouted me out on X. Chainsaws. What was that? If you want to deep dive on AI and how to apply it as it grows daily. Yeah, hell yeah. Chainsaws, thank you. Mainly coding AI, but we have been doing a whole bunch of other non-coding stuff. Okay. Test for our Git manager class. Now I'm just letting it go. This could start to create something I don't want, but I think I'll have a look next prompt because it looks like it's still, still got a ways to go here. Oh man, I hate this. Yes, it just pre-fills this, but it doesn't submit it. I'm gonna be right back. Should we watch someone use what's that thing called? MCP? Yes, this guy. We're all about AI. Hope he doesn't mind.
So if you are in the Model Context Protocol article here, you can see they
He's
have
good.
a
I'm
link
sure a lot of you
here
guys follow
to
him
the
already.
Claude desktop app. So you can just click on this, right? So I'm ready to go. So I'm just going to close this now because we want to add some configurations to this. So the next thing I'm just going to go to the terminal here on Mac, and I'm just going to open up this file path here, library applications support Claude, because we need to create a file here. And in this Claude folder here, we're going to create a new file that is going to be called Claude desktop config.json. So let me quickly do that. So I'm just going to do a touch command here and create this, right? Good. So you can see now we have kind of our Claude desktop config.json here. So this is empty. Here is where we are going to add our servers that we are going to use for to connect to the MCP, right? Okay, so now we kind of are ready to go here. We just need to find those servers. So I'm just going to head over to their GitHub and find the Brave search and the Brave search, yeah, and what did I want to add? I think it was the file system. Okay, so here we are kind of on their GitHub, right? We can zoom in a bit here, and if you scroll down here to servers, here are some pre-built Model Context Protocol servers we can use, right? So if you scroll down here, you can see we have file system, GitHub, Google Drive, Brave Search, Google Maps, Fetch. So there's a bunch of stuff we can use already. And here is, of course, it could get complicated because we can build our own servers. We are going to do this on the channel in the future, but for now, we're just going to use their featured servers. So I think we want to use file system, we want to use Brave Search. So I have created a free account here on Brave Search just to get my API key, right? So you can see I have my API key here because we need that. So we can start with the Brave Search here. I'm going to leave a link to this GitHub if you want to try it out for yourself. And here you can see the command we need to use, right? So add this to your Claude desktop config.json. Great, we can do that. So let me just copy this, right? And just paste it in here. And that should be everything we need for now. Okay, so you can see I have to put in my API key here too. I'm going to do that afterwards. Before we do that, I want to grab the file system here, right? So this means that we can write files to our folder, right? So you can see this is the file system protocol, model context protocol. So I'm just going to copy that too. Go to my config file. I'm going to add this too, right? Here we need to set a path where we are gonna write this, right? So I'm just gonna set up a path here. You can do the same as me if you want to. So let me just show you the path I want to set up. Okay, so you can see this is the path I want here, but you can also see we have made some other changes. I kind of want to wrap this into MCP servers, right? So this is the format I have used for this. So we kind of have the Brave search and the file system as our protocols, right? So I'm just going to copy this. I kind of replace the config file here with just my setup here. I can go back here so you can take a look at it if you want this JSON setup yourself. But this should be pretty easy. Just wrap this Brave search and this file search system in this MCP servers here. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is I just need to fill out my Brave API key here. And I think we should be pretty good to go then. So let me just go grab my key here and let's fill that in. And then we can start testing this out, I think. Okay, so when we open up the app now, you can see, I don't know if I can zoom in, but you can see we have 11 MCP tools available. So we have Brave Local Search, Brave Web Search, Create Directory, Get File Info. So basically we have a full file system toolkit plus the Brave Search kit. So this means that we have added some tools to our Claude desktop app, right? So what is pretty cool now is that we can do like a prompt and combine these tools to do some more interesting stuff, right? So let me just do a prompt here and I can show you kind of what I mean. So if we do the prompt, search Brave to find information about Anthropic's MCP, Model Context Protocol, write a summary and save it to my system as mcp.info.md, right? So when we click this now, we're gonna get like a few pop-ups because we need to allow this for this chat to use this. It's a bit annoying, but it's fine. Okay, so you can see we are running this query here. We are searching Brave search for this, right? We got some information here, right? The next step is gonna running write file from file system local. So we're gonna save this. Okay, we need to allow file system, yes. And if you look at the right here now in cursor, you can see this is gonna create a file here, hopefully. Okay, we need this. Hopefully this is gonna write to... There's a lot of accept here, but that's fine. So, okay, now it's writing to this file, and hopefully this file will get saved into my MCP directory here. Yeah, there you can see it. It popped up. And we can go to cursor, and we can open this, and boom, you can see.
So oh, sorry. They give you a server that you can run? Where does he run the server? There. No, that's a config. How is this computer listening? Oh, here.
Open up this file path, and in this Claude folder here, we're gonna create a new file.json. Good, so you can see are ready to go here. We just need to find those servers, so I'm just gonna head over to their GitHub and find the Brave search and the Brave. So if you are in the Model Context Protocol article here, you can see they have a link here to the Claude desktop app. So you can just...
Nah, I just choked on water. What if the server gets hacked? Yeah, well, that's definitely a concern.
Click on this, right, and just download it. I'm on Mac OS at the moment, but this should work fine for Windows too. So just go ahead, download this, and just install the app. I think you need to log in and stuff.
Oh, so it works with our Claude for desktop app. Excellent. That's so much easier.
Stuff need to do. Okay, we have our Claude app here. You can try to open it, right?
That's pretty nice. And there's Windows as well. That's actually what. That's so nice. And then you can add Brave search. So you add your own like functions like this. What the fuck? Wait, this is actually crazy. Should we just use this? What are the pros and cons of this? They're scraping your computer. Is it closed source? Yeah, that's pretty much a huge con, right? Servers? This will start the memory server. This will start the Git server. Wait, what? Running a server on its own is not helpful. It should be an MCP client. Wait, and then can you use this with your unlimited, like, do you have unlimited Claude Sonnet on their web app? Is that how that works? Oh, I just changed my... More usage. Not unlimited, but it's pretty annoying how it's not like clear exactly how much. Has it ran any tests yet? It still hasn't. It's still creating files. I should probably tell it to like start running tests. I don't think it's ran any tests. Okay. It's gonna make a virtual environment. Yeah. There we go. Took like 4 tries to create the virtual environment. Not worried about privacy in regards to what? The Anthropic server? Well, I'm not using it, so. But generally, I think my privacy anxiety is pretty low. Yeah, okay, so we should have ran the test on that first one. All right, well, let's see. Like, let's inspect what Exponent has made so far. Did I just change the? No. All right. We can ignore this. We should just add. Could we? Go like this. Does this work? Yes. All right, manager.py. This is already 140 lines. I guess a lot of it is comments. Settings, progress monitor, task manager, Git manager, orchestrator. This is already bigger than baby AGI. A lot of it is comments though. 100x energy for staying 5 hours a day. Yeah, and I'm about to play tennis, so I just noticed it's raining quite consistently. Might not be playing tennis anymore. VN I think can be ignored as well. Okay, so I don't see any front end. Not a big deal. But interestingly, they have like Uvicorn as a dependency, I think. Where is that here? Uvicorn, which, if I'm not mistaken, is a front end thing. Web server implementation. Okay, no. This isn't what I thought it was. Okay, so some tests still fail, but we have the basic. We have some tests passing. Commit progress. Right, how do I run this? Make a readme? Does it have a readme? Make a readme and commit progress. On a new branch. called Expo POC 1. We don't really need to call it Expo. Fast API POC 1. Echo Hive on Twitter? Yeah, I follow him. What's he showing? Does my leg cramp? No, it doesn't cramp, but my lower back gets tired because the way my posture is like heavily on that lower back. So I like to stretch it. I might stretch it now. All right, I did it. Let's read the README. Oh, I didn't add this stuff. Okay. Last API proof of concept README is empty. Oh, why? Wait, what? Populate the README, then start fixing tests. Failing tests. Okay. Seems like a waste to just get Exponent to do one thing, so I always give it to do multiple. Let me just check out Echo Hive's Twitter. A 1000x cursor. Damn, he's 10xing me. Did he start this before me? August 28th. No, my shit was... I was trying to actually figure that out before. 2 months ago.
OpenRouter lets you use just one API.
September 28th. Is August I think August is before September, so he was actually before me. Alright, shout out Echo Hive. The original. Oh, 2 cursor composers? Yeah, yeah. That's sick. I linked that in the... Well, not by him, but... in suggestions I put this, and the first one and this had... like a how to do that, I guess. Was that the one? No, it was like one that did like 8. And it gives you the... It was like an 8x one. Composer uses Perplexity as its own tool and searches the web. That's so good. Out of the box, or did Echo make its own Perplexity stuff? Like, did he have to configure it to use Perplexity? This is their cursor rule. When asked to perform web search, use the function search Perplexity in web search Pi. Running it directly. You can run it just by passing a query as an argument. Damn, you can do that with Cursor Agent. You give it custom functions to run. I guess that makes sense. Once it can start running CLI commands, it can run Python scripts. That is pretty big, but I mean, we've already had that ages ago with Klein and Aider. Aider first? What was the first agent to run CLI commands? I mean, it was the non-editing ones. Try computer use with Cursor Agent. It has its own computer use, or is it just using the... OSRS leagues. What is that? I don't even know what that is. No, I don't even know what that is. No, probably not. I haven't even got members. So there's that. Okay. Did it update the README file? I gotta message this guy about tennis. I don't know if we're still on. Because it's pretty wet. Um, I'll ask if he wants a rain check. Is that a rain check? Did you say rain check when something stops because of the rain? Or is that me mixing things up? Ticket giving for later use when a sporting fixture is interrupted by rain. Okay, perfect. That's literally exactly correct. Okay. It's coming out in 6 hours, limited time game that turns into a roguelike. When's AGI? I think Elon Musk said in the next like 2 to 3 years. I mean, can't predict anything for sure, but I think that's not a bad guess. I'd argue like AGI was GPT-4 pretty much. That was what I would say was AGI. If you'd asked me in like 2017, I'd be like something. If you showed me GPT-4 in 2017, I'd be like, this is it. This is it. This is the one we've been waiting for. I wonder how many tests passed. Shit, they're all passing. No way. No way. Can't believe it. I mean, it's only been 50%, but oh, okay, there we go. Oh shit, Hadrian played OSRS back when it was actually original. We could play. You made a flask? What? I'm a UK world. Pretty bad. What is this? Pretty dumb. Can't even get it. Didn't work. Hey. I need to like gear up again. Or we can do quests. You know, it's like a quest helper. Quest here. Huh? Is that quest? No. Quest list. Below Ice Mountain. Needs 10 mining. Oh no, it's a recommendation. I also need 16 quest points. Oh, Cook's Assistant. This one sucks. Let's do it. Purchase a bucket from Lumbridge. Easy. Oh, I needed a coin. Shit, I need coins. Where's Goblin? Ooh, 5 coins. I should get off this world. Am I building a game? No, not now. I was at one point. Good resource for hosting sites on Cloudflare. Mine attempts always fail. No, I'm not. I don't know of a particular resource. Even my attempts fail. But like my problems are like specific problems with the repository. Yeah, I don't think I can afford the next item. Okay, milk the cow. I can do that. I should have taken a stamina pot. I'm in USA. No, I'm in Australia. Either link would work. I don't know if I copied. I copied, like I checked. It was to the last 236, the last digits. You get 100% test. No way. But then we got, what's this error? Warnings. Awesome. Think we I think we can try to run it now. What files do we have? Readme. Come on, there's nothing in the readme. Populate the readme file with how to run the project as well as how it is structured architecturally, then make a placeholder roadmap. Roadman. Roadman thing. The GitLab work? Which GitLab? Alright, now we need to pick wheat. Nice. Git clone. Poetry install. Poetry run PyTest. Poetry run Ruvicorn. Okay. Pretty much this. Let's see if I can see this man's GitLab. Apologies for the gendering. But it's a figure of speech, isn't it? Yes, this one does work. Post quantum encryption. Hell yeah. Dude, Freedom DAO. You're gonna set us free? This is huge. It's not that huge. I've had bigger, but still big. 2,455 lines. You expect me to read that? Or what do you expect me to do with it? Run it? Definitely not gonna run some random code. And we even got a roadmap. Oh shit, I gotta climb the mill. Alright. I also want to run this. Poetry. Should I be in the VN? How do you no? How do you do this? Okay, just like that. Predict car accidents using quantum computing. What the fuck? Hack B, thanks for the like. Dependencies to install. We got the. Music? No file or folder found. So the readme lied. Skipping. The hell? Let's make it a main.py. Like the flour in the bin. Oh, whoops! I just ran away from the mill. Man, I should have just had this quest helper inbuilt. I feel like community doing Jagex's job for him. Python run pytest test main.py. Bandit hardcore group IMN. RUHCIM. Let's see. Oh, she doesn't care. Damn, he's wrecking that cow. I think the Iron Man's a really cool addition to the game, especially for people that have been playing forever. Might take like inspiration from this and like try to make my own fast API thing. My theory is like these agents are generally not great, but if you just leave them on for enough time and enough critiquing that then they will get better. Like they will eventually maybe like get to what you want. Which one did I drink? Oh, it tells you which one to click. Didn't notice. Nice. Damn, I finished that quest. I got cooking XP. Black Knight's Fortress. Need 12 quest points. Doric's quest. Very short. Novice need 15 mining recommendation. Let's do that. I don't know why I recommended mining for Cook's Assistant too. 6 clay, 4 copper. Yeah, I think I could just teleport and get these from Varrock. Yo, Tempest, what's up? 444 to edge. Yeah. Okay, did the test pass? Crazy, they passed. Um, can I install the poetry now or no? Looks like that's kind of working. Oh, I ran past the GE like an idiot. Sorry, I can one click there. Okay. Yeah, let's just get Exponent to. I should have told it to update the README. It seemed like. We'll see. We had this poetry tumble. It needs a root in it.py. Okay, was that what was missing? What am I trying to buy here? Copper clay. 6. Copper. 4, 4. Previously, we had this question. You had to, like, if you're a group hardcore, if you're an Iron Man, you can't just buy stuff from the GE. You have to You have to actually go mine it, etc. But like this, you can just have it like that. Oh, it's running it. I think I quit out of it. Did I? Oh no. It's there. Active. Cool. Alright, we have the orchestrator. Obviously, we don't have the orchestrator, we just have the... Give it a Falador, I should have teleported. We just have... Actually, it's probably faster to just teleport now. We just have a basic Unicorn app, it seems. Let me double check we can run it through here. No. Did they even run? Oh, I shouldn't have. Wait, if I go exponent, can I still see the... Nice. Poetry install, it did. Oh, it worked for them. But for me... No dependencies to install update. Oh, maybe because it's already installed? Oh no, it just worked. Okay, it just worked. I didn't realize. I was reading the previous error. And then I run it like this. Poetry run main app reload. Pretty annoying run command if I do say so myself. But it seems like it's working. Sweet. Now we can give it some scenarios and tell it to include Aider. Should probably stop playing RuneScape here. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty hands-on. Yo, what's up, Hamza? We created a Unicorn Python project with Exponent. And here is the README. Empty. Why is that empty? Oh, that actually annoys me. I don't know why they just cleared the README and I didn't save it either. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what this does. Probably nothing. We can, you know what, something you can do with Exponent is your Exponent will run it. Get it to create exponent.txt, which is pretty much what I'm after, which is pretty much like just tells you how the project works. Here, explore the code base and write me an exponent.txt describing the project. This sounds pretty good. First it reads a readme, which it is empty because it deleted everything, which just sucks. But yeah, we're trying to make a 100x orchestrator. And yeah, I think I'm gonna sit down. I've been standing a lot. Oh, tennis might still be on. Should I play in the rain? I think it's gonna dry out. I think I'm happy to play. Okay. Yeah, I gotta sit stand desk, but it's like I have to manually crank it up and down. Alright, we have an exponent.txt file. Here we go. Key components. Agent management system, version control integration, task management. Okay. I'm gonna tell it to make a front end. Should we? I think a big part of this is the front end. Earlier on stream, I was like, the core is not. I think we need a front end. Okay. Continue to use Exponent actually. File includes this. What would you like me to do? Add more specific details, include information about testing. Add more details about API endpoints. Say build a user interface or it's like build test, build, and commit while trying to implement current state. No, this current state is wrong. Should call this like initial requirements. Oh, we already had that. Okay, shit. Test and build and commit while trying to implement initial requirements through the orchestrator. Okay. I just want to see how it's going to use it. First, to create the task, we'll need to initialize the orchestrator and create tasks. Oh, so it's using the orchestrator as a Python module that it imports, which is fine. Here we go. It's actually cloning now. And has these tasks. Okay, so this is how it runs it. This is interesting. I'm going to add this to exponent.txt, I think. Or in the README. Example usage Python. Okay. Alright, I think I am gonna play tennis. Sorcerer Chaos, thanks for the likes. Hello. How are you doing? Issues with git auth. Yeah, this is the same thing I had with ABAGI. Git auth issues, interestingly. Although I feel like this is working. Exponent is doing the orchestration through this orchestrator library. or at least the very basics of it, which is pretty sweet. I have about like 10, 20 minutes before I need to go. I'm testing windsurf. Can you give me advice? Um, I haven't used windsurf for more than 2 hours. Just like give it as much relevant only context as you can, and as little irrelevant context. No one can see your code. The code isn't really that important here. Um, Also, I'm on other non-TikTok platforms. So, yeah, man. Hope you're well, X. What's the agenda? I'm building this 100x engineer orchestrator. 100x orchestrator. Can you like withdraw but like leave placeholder? Alright. Okay. Everything works. Damn. So, did I actually do it? Holy crap, if that actually worked, I'd be so surprised. So, I gave exponent. Did I close it? Looks like I closed it. Set up workspace. It made all these agents. Dude, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x engineer. If it actually worked. I doubt it, but I'm actually... The fact that it looks like it might have worked is pretty exciting in itself. I doubt it actually worked, but the fact that it might have. What's a library? I'm building my own like orchestrator library. Example use, this is how you use it. Initialize orchestrator, and then you give it like a GitHub URL and branch and tasks. And then it creates agents for those tasks, maybe, in this workspace folder. Oh crap, look at that. See, it's cloned it many times. And made... So we can, like, here's what we can do. We can go into each sub-agent's workspace and go git diff. And then we can see it's actually all of them have made code changes. Wait, what? How is that possible? No. Wait, what is this file? I'm actually, like, I don't understand how this worked. I haven't linked it to an LLM or anything. This shouldn't have worked. No, wait, what? Okay, so this is just the README file. Current state. No, okay, I figured out what the issue is. I'm git diffing on the parent branch. I don't know if I can open the diff, git diff this sub repo. I don't know if I can do that. Yo, MM. What am I working on? I'm trying to make orchestration like like something to orchestrate lots of coding agents, pretty much. And I'm also playing RuneScape. So this created these subfolders, which is exactly what I wanted for each agent. How did it run this? So Exponent is currently orchestrating at the moment. It just generates arbitrary Python, it seems. It didn't actually save this. Find the basic workspace for each agent. I'm gonna commit this. Not workspace, though. Okay, so it didn't actually change anything at all. Config JSON. Oh, so we have a local config.json that holds a state. Resource limits. Don't need that. Current state we can remove. Exponent will keep. We have a readme. I think I would also remove the readme. Can we add a CLI? I don't know if I should. But hey, so these sims on the screen are AI agents? No, this is a game. This is separate. This is RuneScape. Completely irrelevant to the 100x engineer thing. Yeah. I also have to go in like 5 minutes, pretty much. I think. Hold on. Check how far away this place is I need to go to. Yeah. About 20 minutes. Nice, I got mining XP and a quest point. What are my quest points? 7. We've just been going down the line. I don't think I can do Dragon Slayer. Yeah, 45. I mean, pretty close. Ernest the Chicken we can do. Yeah, so I've built a Unicorn server. I might get Exponent to say like create configured orchestrator with proper settings. Ask 3 main tasks. Let's just see if like make a UI for interacting with the orchestrator. Let's see. Can I make a web UI? That would make things a lot easier for me to test it. I think. At least initially. But yeah. You gotta start a gaming channel? You reckon I should keep it separate? And what games should I play? I do enjoy playing games. But it's like, yeah, I don't know. I could be doing like it's kind of pointless. This RuneScape. Like it's like it kind of wasted time towards the overall goal of 100x engineer. Um I don't know why that failed. 100x. 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 100x you want to orchestrate multiple agents, like an AutoGen or AutoGPT, yes, pretty much. Or a crew AI. Should I just be using crew AI, you reckon? From what I've seen, like crew AI wasn't it. But they seemed really popular, so maybe. Maybe I should. So AutoGen node on Flowwise. Yo, the burrito. What's up, my G? How do I get this food? Pick up the fish food in the south room. It was that door. All right. Well, I gotta go, guys. Thanks for watching. This will take a while before we get something working, I think, for this project. But we've had 2 streams today. If you didn't watch the earlier stream, I tried Baby AGI. Tried to get it to do this orchestrating without any like additional changes to the code. But wasn't quite able to do it. Can't remember what the exact issue was, but I think I said I'm gonna try to do it my own. So yeah, that's why we're here. And Exponent hopefully will make us a UI before I leave. I don't know. Use the poison on the fish food. Did I eat the poison? No. I need a spade. Pick up the spade. Okay, good. Yeah, I'm gonna turn off the webcam while I get changed. That work? Yeah. Damn it. Let's try. Let's try run this before I go. No, nothing.
Thank
Damn.
you, my friend.
Alright. I'll see you guys next stream. Just about to head off. Sorry, Jay. You can see the VODs on my YouTube. Let's go YouTube, techfren. All my past VODs are here. It's also on Twitch for like 2 weeks before the Twitch takes them down. But yeah, I gotta go, so I'll see you guys later.